everybody. Here's what Hershey Farm looks like right now. It's actually a lot grander than I pictured. So for those who don't remember or do not know, Hershey Farm has been around for many years. I think 30 to 40 years, since the 70s or the 80s. There was a fire in January 2022 and the whole restaurant burned down. The inn over there was fine, and then these buildings over here, which is also the inn, also fine, but the restaurant was completely destroyed. So they tore the rest of it down and they decided they're going to build. Now they're building the restaurant again, but they're also building it even grander than the original. They're going to have the family style dining is my favorite addition to the whole plan. They're going to bring that here for the first time. They're going to have the buffet like they always had. They're also going to have a little cafe, but also they're attaching it to the hotel over there. So before the fire, the restaurant and gift shop are a separate building than the hotel part. So very exciting that they're going to be having that connected, which would be nice for cold days like this when it's like 35 degrees outside. So, but it's very exciting. Sight and sounds back there behind Hershey Farm. Today it is December 7th, 2023, and it looks really great. It's very exciting. So I'm so happy I get to be here and see this. When I was here last time, I hadn't been here since May, and it was just stones on the ground. So they've done a lot. So I'm going to show you over here how it's connected to the hotel. It's big. It's very big. It's very exciting. But there's the update today. Sorry it's loud, but they're working, so to be expected. And here's Amos. So yeah, very, very exciting. Here's this whole span of it from this side. So the restaurant, the gift shop, a new family style area, and a new cafe are all going to be part of this new build. So very exciting. Of course, the regular buffet, which is delicious. So we're very happy. So there you go. Hooray! So I hope you enjoyed this little update. It's fun to see it. Next time I'm here, most likely it'll be when it's done next year. Hopefully May of 2024 if they're trying to get it done by.